my lovely people, how are you doing? I hope आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे. Even I am good too. So लास्ट वीडियो जो थी वो थी हमारी नायका पिंक सेल के अराउंड, जिसमें कि मैंने बहुत सारी प्रोडक्ट रिकमेंडेशन दी थी फ्रॉम ऑल स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर एंड बॉडी केयर. नाउ मैंने ये भी मेंशन किया था कि दैट आई विल बी बाइंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स टू फ्रॉम दिस सेल. सो हेयर आर माई प्रोडक्ट्स. नाउ आज की वीडियो को मैं डिवाइड करने वाली हूँ इन द 2 पार्ट्स, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. सो एक वीडियो में अगर मैं ऐड करूँगी इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू गाइज टू हैव अ लुक व्हाट ऑल आई हैव गॉट. इसलिए आज की जो वीडियो में मैं कवर करने वाली हूँ वो कवर करने वाली हूँ स्किन केयर एंड बॉडी केयर, क्योंकि हेयर केयर में मेरे पास बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. स्किन केयर और बॉडी केयर को मिला के रेशियो विल बी इक्वल. सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू व्हाट ऑल आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम नायका पिंक सेल पार्ट 1. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज बेसिकली दिस सिंपल फेस वॉश. I have heard very good reviews about this product, but अभी तक I was just using Cetaphil for that matter. So मैंने decide किया कि let's give it a try. I have tried a very smaller version of this product, but वो बहुत limited duration के लिए था, because of course the quantity was very less. So that's the reason I decided to give this big piece a try. Just stay tuned for the reviews on this. Now the second product is basically a niacinamide serum which is from Plum. ये मैंने अपनी last video में recommend भी किया था. It's a very good product. I have heard very good reviews about this product. Why this product is very good? This has actually niacinamide and rice water, which of course is very good for your skin elasticity. It's having anti-aging benefits, plus it's good for your pores as well. So this is something I'm looking forward to try and see the results how it's going to go. So the third product is again from the brand Plum. Plum के मैंने पहले भी products use करे हैं and review करे हैं in my previous videos. उसका जो हेयर केयर रेंज है आई एम नॉट सो मच हैप्पी विद, बट yes, their skincare line is still better. So this particular product is basically Sugar Body Scrub Vanilla Vibes from Plum. I have used the mist of this one. I got it in a sample and I love the way how it smells. So I'm looking forward to give this particular scrub a try. I was done with the body scrub that I was using earlier. So you have to wait for the empties video, but this is something I look forward to try. Now the next product is again from Plum. Don't worry, this is going to be my last product from the brand Plum. This is basically their body mist Vanilla Vibes. So basically this was the product I used the sample for, the small sample, and I just love the fragrance. This is actually by far my most favorite body mist that I have tried. The smell of vanilla is so good that you cannot really resist applying it again and again. So if you are looking for, if you like something which is very sweet in smell and you like the scent of vanilla, I would highly recommend this particular body mist. Now the fourth product is from the brand Wishcare. Wishcare में I have tried their hair care serum which I reviewed earlier, which I was not very happy with, but I've heard very good things about this Ceramide lip balm. This is the tinted variant, and what I love the most is it is actually having ingredients like kojic acid which works on the lip pigmentation, plus it has SPF 50, and with me I apply sunscreen on a different level, be it my face, my body or my lips. So that's the reason I'm looking forward to use this particular product, and I'm too excited to try this one out. Next in my list is basically a product which I'm restocking. It's basically Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. This is by far my most favorite moisturizer that I have tried for my oily skin. My skin is not oily, it's combination skin, but ultimately the product that works for it are the products which are meant to be for the oily skin people. I love this particular moisturizer. It's very lightweight. It has hyaluronic acid, so you are actually getting the hydration without having that oily face. As I mentioned in my last video as well, which was related to Nykaa haul, I have mentioned that I am going to review this Neutrogena moisturizer side by side with this Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel moisturizer. I have heard from people that both of the products are very similar in terms of the efficacy. So I just want to give it a try, because when it comes to the cost, Neutrogena one is basically on the expensive side, and I am getting comments like these that people want to have a skincare regime. So I wanted to give Dot & Key a try. I have actually used some of the products of Dot & Key which I actually loved. So that's the reason I want to give it a try, and the review will be out soon. This is not all that I have got in terms of skincare. I have actually received some freebies too. With my Dot & Key moisturizer, I have got the sample of Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash as well. I will try this, of course. This is going to be into my travel kit for sure because this is very small in size, but let's see how it works. So last up in my list is basically this Neutrogena Rain Bath Refreshing Bath and Shower Gel. This is actually a free product that I have got with my Neutrogena moisturizer, which is making me very happy because it's a full-size product. So here we are concluding what all I have got from Nykaa Pink sale, the skincare and body care edition. Hair care edition will be out soon, so stay tuned. Till then, spread love, spread happiness. Bye bye.